Thinking about Brazil in 2025? Heads up, you'll need a visa. Don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. Starting April 2025, US citizens will need a visa to explore the wonders of Brazil. But here's the good part. Mr. W Concierge has your back. Conveniently located in the same building as the Consulate General of Brazil in Miami, Mr. W makes the visa process a breeze. Here's how it works. Mr. W's expert team prepares all the documents for you, ensuring everything's in order. No more headaches or missed details. Just drop by 3150 SW 38th Ave, Suite 1305, Miami, Florida 33146, and they'll handle the rest. So why stress over paperwork when you can have a pro take care of it? Plan ahead, visit Brazil, and let Mr. W Concierge make your travel dreams come true. See you in Brazil. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. For more information, call +1 305 781 9194. Mr. W Concierge is a company with more than 11 years of expertise expediting passports, visas, and other personal documents.